Welcome to Neon Cobra. Let's kick into it. Excellent. This week, we're going to be talking about probably one of my favorite technologies in Azure, and that is going to be Azure Virtual Desktop. It's essentially the love child of virtual or personalized desktoping and remote desktop services / terminal services. It takes the desktop experience that the average user would experience when they're logging on to their own laptop or PC, and it centralizes it in Azure and provides multi-session management, which means you can leverage the high-end resources in Azure, the platinum-grade CPUs, the DDR5, DDR6, the high-end backplanes, the economies of scale that you always hear about in Azure. You get to use that to offer up end-user desktop experiences. It also has the ability to scale out and scale in based on demand. You'll see very popular tools like Nerdio Manager for MSP as an example that provide these automations, because natively within Azure, it's a lot of PowerShell scripting and monitoring and kind of tinkering to get it right. You can bring in tools like Nerdio Manager to scale out and scale in based on many different metrics. It has the ability to manage these items off of golden images, which means from a management standpoint as an MSP, you just have to look after one single image as far as loading updates, loading new applications. If you're any accounting firms out there, you'll find every year things like tax prep and caseware and all this stuff needs to be re-updated, and it can be quite a large endeavor if you're running 6 or 7 session hosts. If you have a single golden image, you can do all your updates and patching during the daytime, which means no after-hour calls, and schedule a host reboot after hours. The end user experience can see tremendous performance improvements because you're going to be running off of FS Logic's backplane, which allows for insane burst on the actual profile disks, decoupling them from the host pools, which means that you're not taxing the OS drive. 2 minutes is not enough time, if I'm honest, to talk about this technology. So there is more information in the blog, and I may dive into subsections of this technology in future videos. Take a look if you haven't. Take care.